We've built a 23-bed residential facility and day rehab unit for clients who have suffered neurological, orthopaedic, spinal injury and complex trauma injuries, or also from illness and disease. First came across Innova quite a long time ago when we were in the research phase of the business, when we were trying to get costs for all the equipment we were going to need, and got quite a lot of detail from Innova then. I think the main reason we went for Anova and started working with Innova was because of the wide range of items that they stock and can sell to us and support us with decisions really in choosing the right product for our facility. But a big part of why we chose them as well was we were trying to set up a facility that had the right feel, the feel that we would want if it was somewhere we were sending someone we loved, and somewhere equipment that we would choose to have in our own homes as well. And that's really why we chose Innova, because all their equipment. The service is superb. We can ring up and borrow equipment while we're waiting for ordered equipment to arrive if we need it. They just come down, they'll give us advice over the phone. Been very impressed with the service. Pleasure to work with. They've even given us their office space to do site meetings when we've needed those, and provided us with lunch. We went to Paris to look at the pool and sit a pool in situ there. Really accommodating and really helpful. Absolutely recommend working with Innova. Very, very easy to deal with. Always very helpful and accommodating. And if there's anything they haven't got, they'll try and help.